Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 1, today we are going to do the unit number 4, and the topic of the unit number 4 is money, and the book name is Maths Wise 1 by Oxford. Money. This is the currency which we are using to buy things. Coins have been used as currency for a very long time. Coins have been used as currency for a very long time. Later, paper money called bank notes were introduced. First we have the coins as currency, and after that the paper money called bank notes. These are the banknotes and coins that are used in Pakistan. You can see, students, this currency is used in our Pakistan. These are the money notes and these are the coins. You can see here 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupees coin. And here you have 20, 50, 100, 500, 1000, 5000, 100 rupees coin, money notes. Okay, so these notes, bank notes and coins are used in Pakistan as a currency. Yes, this is the money which we used in our Pakistan to buy things, to buy our rupees 1 coin, rupees 2 coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupee coin. And here we have 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees, 500, 1000 and 5000 rupee notes. These are the bank notes and these are the coins. These all are coins and these are bank notes. Now you see money. Here we have a watch and its price is 30 rupees. To buy this watch we use one 10 rupees note and one 20 rupees note. So 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. So this is 30 rupees. So we can buy this watch by this bank notes. Look at the prices and money in coins and notes. Okay, the prices are these and the bank notes and coins are used to buy these things. Here we have a shuttle. Its price is 18 rupees. Now we have 10 rupee note, 5 rupee coin and 3 1 rupee coins, and they all together 18 rupees. So we can buy this shuttle with this paper, with this money notes and bank notes and coins. This is for the rupees 60 rupees, and we have one 50 rupee note and one 10 rupee note to buy this boat. Here we have scooter and its price is rupees 90. Here we have some bank notes, one 50 rupees bank note, 22 and 2 20 rupees, 50 and 20 70, 70 and 20 is 90. So by these bank notes we can buy this scooty. Bus, and the price of this toy bus is rupees 100, and we have a 100 rupee note to buy this bus. And if we buy strawberry, its price is 10 rupees and we have a coin of 10 rupees to buy this strawberry. So you can see that with the help of these pictures and money you can understand that if we have to buy something, we should use the currency which is using in our Pakistan, that currency is money, bank notes and the coins. So we can buy all these things with the help of the currency, and which is bank notes and the coins. Count and write how much money each child has. Who has more? First we have to count the money, and then we have to tell that each child has how much money and who has more money. The first one is count and write how much money each child has and who has more. Ahmed has rupees. First he has one 10 rupee note and two 5 rupee notes, and 10 and 5 15, 15, and when we add 5 in 15 it becomes 20. So Ahmed has rupees 20 in all, and Ahad has Ahad has 5 coins of 5 rupees. So 5 ones are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So Ahmed has rupees 20 in all and Ahad has rupees 25 in all. So Ahmed, who has more? Who has more? Ahmed has rupees 20 in all and Ahad has rupees 25 in all. So Ahad has more money than Ahmed. You can see Ahmed has 20 rupees and Ahad has 25. So Ahad has more money than the Ahmed. So Ahad has more money than Ahmed. So first we count the money from each child. Then we get that who has more money. So Ahad has more money than Ahmed. And now look at this picture. Zeba has how many money? 10 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin and 1 rupees coin. 10 and 5 15, 15 में 2 ऐड करेंगे तो 17, 17 में 1 ऐड करेंगे तो 18. So Zeba has 80 rupees 18 in all and Zara has rupees 18 in all and Zara has one bank note of 10 rupees, 5 rupee coin and 2 rupees coin, and these are 17 rupees. So Zara has rupees 17 and Zeba has rupees 18 in all. So Zeba has more money than Zara. You can see Zeba has 18 and Zara has 17 rupees. 18 is more than 17, so Zeba has more money than Zara. And Babar has rupees 2 10 rupees note and 2 5 rupee coin. So 10 and 10 20, 20 में 5 ऐड करें 25, and when we add 5 more in 25 it becomes 30. So Babar has rupees 30 in all, and Bina has 3 10 rupees bank notes and 1 rupee coin. So 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 1 is 31. So Bina has rupees 31 in all. So Bina has more money than Babar. Bina has more money than Babar. Clear? Now you can see in this picture Ahad has more money than Ahmed, and in this picture Zeba has more money than Zara, and here the Bina has more money than Babar. So hopefully one class you understand that how we use the currency to buy the things. Okay, now take care of yourself and learn all these things. Take care. Allah Hafiz.